Hello and welcome to week 6. This week you're going to be looking at the association of variables with attitudes toward climate change. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to read this great article or watch the video on the politicization of climate change. Here's the video on it, and here is the article itself if you guys want to read this, and this is a really great article. Again, it's looking at your identification self-reported with a political party, and then it's asking what are the associations between that and attitudes toward global warming. It's also looking at educational attainment, and it's curious as to whether people with higher educational attainment have positive attitudes toward the scientific research about global warming, or whether educational attainment is associated with negative attitudes toward global warming. So I really like this article, and I just like the fact that they're taking numerous variables and controlling for those in order to understand factors associated with attitudes toward global warming. And that's definitely a sociological study. Right now, I've been doing some other interesting studies on attitudes toward homosexuality, attitudes toward women in the workplace, attitudes toward interracial marriage, and this one just again goes along the same lines, attitudes toward global warming, and we're asking what factors are associated with global warming. So I hope you guys enjoy this. You are also going to be starting on your research project this week. So you're going to be doing your source identification. Last week you guys proposed everything. You got your topics approved. You had a basic outline, and now you're going to be doing your research for that. So you guys are going to open up the source identification. It tells you what you guys need to be looking through. Again, you're going to go into the library. You're going to look for peer-reviewed text, so there's scholarly journals. Okay, and you're going to be pulling out the 3 references you need for your final project. What I did for you, just for fun, if you guys look in your announcements for this week, so you guys will see it says how to write a research paper video. I made just a really quick video of an assembly line approach to how to do a ton of references, get all your citations together, get your paper structure, get your outline going, and then really start working on the paper. It's a 22-minute video. You don't have to watch the entire thing, but at least watch like the first 12 minutes, kind of skip maybe the middle while I'm looking through the library, and then watch this last a little bit here. But it just has just a lot of great information in there for you, especially if you've never really done research. You don't know how to structure a paper, you don't know how to use headings and subheadings and page numbers in the top right corner, and if you don't know how to use a title page. And again, I've emailed all of you a template for your choice if you'd like to use it, just in case, because I know that I struggled with writing early on, and it was really a hard thing for me to do. So I spent a long time trying to learn to get better at it, and I really had to work at it. And so these templates, learning how to use headings and subheadings, being able to cite correctly, doing a quick reference page really fast so you don't get bogged down on the works cited stuff, that really helps. So that's why I made this video for you guys, just to kind of help you guys with what you need to do for this week. Because again, you're really getting into your references now, and you want to start using your references to support the outline of your paper that you already have working. Okay, so that video is for that. Then you guys are also going to do application exercise 3. And again, for this, you're just going to choose one of the sociological theories that you haven't used yet. Functionalism, all institutions contribute to the whole. Symbolic interactionisms. We created society through symbolic interaction using language, symbols to communicate and work together to build society. Or conflict theory, the way society works is groups compete with groups for precious resources. So then you guys are going to look through your textbook and start looking at some of the topics that we haven't used this semester, and then you're going to just choose one that you really are interested in, like urbanization, and then apply the theories to it. Like, if you haven't used conflict theory, how can you apply that to urbanization? Well, take a city, for example. Some people in the city have $1 million mansions, and some people in the city are really struggling. Why is there inequality between groups of people in the city? How is urbanization associated with the loss of farmland, for example, which is the social movement with India going on right now? So again, you can apply these theories in unique ways. Just find a chapter that you really, really like, and that's what you guys are going to use to apply the theory. Okay? Please, if you have any questions about what to do, email me. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.